A very good morning to all of you students. We are dealing with active and passive voice, and in that we are at the next tense, that is the tense past perfect tense. Well, it is little bit difficult because here you will find two tense together, means simple past tense and past perfect tense that we will deal with together. So how to convert those sentences into passive voice, that we will discuss in this video. So today's topic is past perfect tense. Okay, the affirmative sentence pattern. That is, active voice sentence pattern is subject plus, here we need had, plus V3 plus object plus other words. Passive voice subject plus had plus V3 plus by plus object plus other words. This is the sentence pattern of past perfect tense. Let me write the sentences here. She had told me a story when you came. Okay, here this type of sentences are connected with when, before and after. So we will convert this like a story had been told by her. No, the story had been told to me by her when you came. Okay, see, if you have that transitive verb then and then, you can change here. Here we don't have transitive verb, so it will not be changed. Please you note down these two. Is next is second. When I had caught you, you were unconscious. No, you were not well. Okay, so now see here, this when I caught you, that will be changed. So when you had been caught by me, you were not well. Number 3, she had cooked that dish before I told her. See student, here we have these two clauses and that's why here we have transitive verb, so that will also change. So she had cooked that dish will come here. Had cooked by her before. See, I told her, so she was told by me. This way, if you have transitive verb after this before when and this before, we will change both the clause in this passive voice. Okay, please you note down these sentences. After that we will go for negative sentence. Next are negative number. Active voice, subject plus had plus not plus V3 plus object plus other words. Now passive voice, subject plus had plus not will come here. Not been V3 by object other words. Okay, now sentences are: first, she had not collected enough coins. Okay, so these enough coins will come first. Enough coins had not been collected by her. Number 2, we had not decided anything about the trip. Okay, see, anything will come first. Anything had not been decided by us about the trip. Please you note down these two sentences with the sentence pattern. After that I will give you more sentences. See, first one is active voice sentence pattern and that below one is passive voice. Okay, it is not clearly seen here, that's why I am speaking. This is active voice sentence pattern and this is passive voice sentence pattern. Now some more sentences. Now, number 3, they had not drunk tea before I served it. Here we will change both the sentence, okay? So, tea will come first. Tea had not been drunk before. Now this it comes first. Before it was, simple past tense, served by me. Now number 4, our doctors had saved many lives in these hospitals during those old days. Now we will change this by putting many lives here. Many lives had not been, sorry, this is not negative sentence, so had been served by our doctors in this hospital during those old days. Please you note down, students. See, this one is not negative, this is affirmative sentence, okay? Please note down this. Now moving forward to interrogative sentence. In interrogative, had will come first. The sentences are Had you punished me for my fault? So had I been punished by you for my fault. Second, had they visited this school in 1920? So had this school been visited? By them in 1920. Okay, please you note down these interrogative sentences. After that I'll give you some more. Now some more interrogative sentence. Had you called your father when I told you? Answer is, here we will change this to your father had your father been called by you when you were told by me. Okay, number 4. Had they prepared the dish on your birthday? So the dish will come first. Had the dish been prepared by them on your birthday? Okay, these are the interrogative sentences. Please you note down, students. After that we will go for mixed sentences. Now I will discuss here mixed sentences of this tense. First, she had served my favorite dish. Second, we had not got your message at that time. Three, has you invited Sheetal in your marriage? And number 4, they had not asked me about this matter. Okay, these 4 we will change. First is she had served my favorite dish. So my favorite dish had been served by her. We had not got your message at that time. Your message had not been got by us at that time. Had you invited Sheetal in your marriage? So had Sheetal been invited by you in your marriage? And they had not asked me about this matter. So I had not been asked by them about this matter. Okay? These are the mixed sentences. Please, you have some time to note down this thing. Now it's time to give you homework, students. Okay, your homework is you have to write 10 sentences. Sentences of this tense in active and passive voice. In next we will start modal auxiliaries. Okay, after that we don't have any tense. So this is for today. Please, you just post your homework in the group and we will meet again with next tense. Bye.